To short, knocked down by Anderson, and won't have a play anywhere. 2 strikes, bouncing ball up the middle. Anderson.
Not 1, but 2 errors from Tim Anderson. Not good, folks. We got a lot to talk about. Don't move a muscle. Stick around.
To short, knocked down by Anderson, and won't have a play anywhere. 2 strikes, bouncing ball up the middle. Anderson bobbles it. Ball 4, and the Padres take the lead.
Yeah, these 2 errors from Tim Anderson ultimately led to San Diego scoring the go-ahead run. This is a problem, folks. You can't have 2 errors like this because, let's put it this way, your team is depending on you and things are not going well. All right. So in the comment section, tell me, are you a Padres fan? Are you a Marlins fan? I want to hear from you. Let me know the deal. And of course, if you love watching baseball as much as we do, make sure to subscribe for free with all notifications turned on. We're so close to our 1,000 subscriber goal. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. It lets us know you care.